In a village nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there lived a humble monk named Koji. Koji was known throughout the village for his gentle spirit and his profound wisdom, which he shared with all who sought his counsel. One warm summer morning, a young villager named May approached Koji with a troubled heart. "Master Koji," she said, her voice tinged with uncertainty, "I find myself lost in the chaos of life, longing for peace and clarity. How can I find solace amidst the turmoil?" Koji smiled warmly at May and gestured for her to join him by the Lotus Pond, where the water shimmered like liquid silver beneath the morning sun. "Come, May," he said, patting the ground beside him. "Let us find the answers together." As they sat by the pond, Koji reached out and plucked a single lotus blossom, its petals unfolding like delicate silk. "Behold the lotus, May," he said, holding the flower aloft, a symbol of beauty and grace, yet rooted in the humblest of places, the muddy depths of the pond. May watched in awe as Koji gently placed the lotus back into the water, where it swayed gracefully with the gentle ripples. "But master," she asked, her brow furrowed with confusion, "how can something so exquisite emerge from such humble surroundings?" Koji chuckled softly and leaned in closer to May, his eyes sparkling with wisdom. "The lotus teaches us the wisdom of simplicity," he explained, his voice as soothing as the rustle of leaves in the breeze. "Just as the lotus finds beauty and meaning in the simplicity of its existence, so too can we find peace and clarity by embracing the essence of our being." May nodded thoughtfully, her heart lightened by Koji's words. "But master," she asked, her voice filled with curiosity, "how can I apply this wisdom to my own life?" Koji smiled and gestured towards the village bustling with activity in the distance. "In the midst of life's chaos, seek simplicity," he advised, his words like gentle echoes in the stillness of the morning. "Simplify your desires, your possessions, your thoughts. Find joy in the small moments, the quiet moments, the moments of stillness amidst the noise." And so, inspired by Koji's wisdom, May embarked on a journey of simplicity, letting go of the burdens that weighed her down and finding beauty and meaning in the humblest of places. And as she walked the path of simplicity, her heart became lighter, her spirit freer, and her soul more deeply rooted in the serenity of the Lotus Pond.